This is the first example that we have where we actually have now 3 different terms, A's, B's and C's. So the table looks different, and again, you need to know what the table looks like. So what I have now is A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, and C, C. Now I need to add the nots. The reason why I draw it out like this is because for me it's easier to remember by the order of the nots is not, 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 not. Okay, so if you have 2 terms on the top, then you always have not, 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 and then your last not goes at the end. Whereas this remains the same, the not comes first. The more you practice this, the more you can easily remember what the order is. But as I say, if you get the order wrong, then when you work out your groupings, you get the wrong expression out. So it's really essential that you get the order correct. Now, in order to fill this in, I start to map my expression. So I want A, B and C. So that's A, B and C here gives me a 1. A not B is over here, and with a C gives me a 1. And A, B, which is here, and C gives me a 1. Everything else is 0. And again, I need to look for my groupings. So I need groupings that are in a group of 1 that is a power of 2. And I need the biggest groups as I can get. So again, like the last example, I end up with 2 groups of 2, and I need to get my expressions for those. So I need to look at what these 2 groups have, what the groups have got in common. So in this group here, they don't have the C's in common, but they do have the AB's in common. So this one here gives me AB, and this one along here, it's got the C in common. And they've both got A's, so these 2 ones have got the C in common and the A in common, but not the B's. So this group here is going to give me AC. So the final expression here is going to be equal to AB plus AC. This expression, even though the expressions have only got 2 terms each, we have 3 different terms in total. So our K-map will have the same headings. So it'll be A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, and C, C. And then to add my knots, I go not, 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 and not there. So in this case, I've got not A and not B, that's here, but I don't have a C term. So what do I do in this case? Well, in that case, you have to add a 1 in both of these columns. And the reason why you do that is because they don't have this in common. So if you add the 1 there and there, it sort of cancels out. So you end up with not A and not B. So that's how you represent something like this that doesn't have the 3rd term. Here we've got A not C. So that's going to be in this column here with my not C, and here I've got an A, and here I've got an A, and here if I put my 1 and my 1 there, then you can see that my B terms would essentially cancel out. And the final one is not B and not C, so that's also going to be in this row here, and my not B's are here and here, and my A terms would cancel out. So again, I would have 1s here. They've already got 1s in there, so I don't have to do anything else to that. And I just add my 0s to the rest of the K-map. I now have to be able to group these. So how do I group them? Well, I can see straight away that I'm going to have a group of 2 there. But what do I do with these 1s here? Well, if I include all of these 1s together, then I have all of my 1s in a group, and I've got the biggest groups that I can get. Now, one of the rules in K-maps is that your groups can wrap around, so as if these were connected, but this can't wrap around and incorporate this 1 because I'm not allowed a group of 3. So this has to remain a group of 2. So here, this one, if what I've got in common is the not A and not B, And here, what I've got in common is the A, the B's cancel, and I have not C. So this expression is equal to not A, not B, plus A, not C.